What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, this is my first time doing this, but I don't really remember what it's called. And
Alright guys, well that was Alex's introduction, and it's not a very good introduction. What's up everybody? We are here at the Youth Conquer the Gauntlet today. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's a little chilly. Got a little bit of a slight breeze, but it's going to be awesome. If you look off into the distance, you can see several different obstacle course things. The start, there's Carrie. Say hi, Carrie.
hi!
There's Eric, the young stud. He also has a swim meet today. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be super busy. Alex, what's your favorite thing to do? That thing.
Oh, they're on.
There's all sorts of things to do. Carrie?
Yes.
Will you be running with the child, or will you be running with the
child?
the Eric?
There's two children.
Eric or Alex? Which one?
Be going with the one that I end
The
up.
slower or the faster one?
Well, if I get the choice.
I take it. I think she wants the slower one. I don't know about you. Alright guys, we're about an hour from kickoff, start of the race, guns going off, whatever you want to call it. We got some practice going on.
Did you?
Up the wall.
Probably.
So this is
Gotta
going to be
lean back
awesome.
more.
Alright, they're starting to make announcements. We're the 920 heat. We've got about 30 minutes left. We've walked the whole entire obstacle course. Alex, what do you think?
Like it.
Like it?
I can't really do, I can't reach that much things because I'm too little, and I could not do monkey bars when I was a little girl, and I'm studying it. I'm really better at it.
That's crap. She can do monkey bars. Alright, so what about the wall? There's a giant wall out there. Are you going to be able to climb the giant wall?
Yes, I can.
You're going to be able to climb the giant wall. That's good. As you can see, there's lots and lots of people here. It's really, really crazy. They got snow cones. Snow cones! But we're not getting any snow cones. Look at the disappointment on her face. Hey Mom, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
It's going to be lots of running. You ready to run?
I'm not supposed to be running. The kids are running.
What? You got to run with them. You can't just walk.
It says no participants. Those that are not participating not to be on the course.
The course is 5 yards wide.
And
She's
I'm
slacking.
a wide load.
She's a wide load. Okay, let's do it. You gotta jump it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a mini world, and I'm gonna make it through. And this is my brother. He's gonna do it now.
All the kids are in it?
No, they already had one that ran up the back. He was on the 920. Looks like all day they had.
Where's Alex? Where's Eric?
Pick it up.
There he is.
Go, Alex, go.
Keep going, sis. Put your tongue in your mouth. Yeah, you're one of them.
Come on, go. Watch what you're doing.
Go, Eric. Hey, he's almost. Hang on, Ellie. Go, Brody!
Brody, go.
Go, Brody, go! Whoa!
Where's your one jump?
Oh my God, Carrie and Alex are gone. Come on, we got to catch up with Carrie and Alex. Come on, Supergirl. You gotta grab a log. Grab a log.
Grab one, Alex.
Grab a log.
Grab one.
We have our first water break.
I brought water. Okay, that's enough. Go.
Yep, grab a piece of wood and follow the kids around the circle.
Go around the circle.
Right there.
You aren't running, Eric! We'll make that boy run yet. Come on! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! Let's go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Come on, Alex! Get on the course! You're not even on the course! In between the flags!
Careful,
He's up there. Come on! Light jog. Light jog. That was a little more than that was the longest you've ever ran, huh? Come on, Eric. Let's run, dude, run. There you go. Eric is on the move. Look at this. I gotta be honest with you. I think this is more running for the parents than it is the kids. Hey, I'm running just as much as he is. There's Alex way back there. Hey, you can't put your feet down. Come on, dude. Keep going. You keep putting your feet down. You can't put your feet down. It's up there somewhere. You gotta wait.
Hold on. Grab the next rope. There you go. You're on your own. You need to wait. Okay, go. Go. Ready? One. Go. Keep going. Go.
Look at you, look at you, look at you. You're almost there. You're almost there. There you go, there you go. All right, now go down. Nice job, nice job.
Right in the bell. I think this video just became more about Alex than Eric because I have no idea where he's at. Oh, he's fine.
Look at her head.
All right, now you know what you have to do.
Go, Alex.
Walk up. Now you're going to walk up to about the middle and then...
Can she do the wall? Do the wall. Do the wall. Do the wall. You might have to help her. Get up there. Do the wall. Do the wall. Do the wall.
Just run at it.
Well, that didn't work. There you go.
Bag in the water over there. Right on.
And that is Conquer the Gauntlet. Extreme style. How was it, Alex?
Good. I finished my race and I
Got a cool necklace. That's awesome. You did great. Yeah, where's Eric? Eric's playing karate. Eric! Eric! What's up, dude? How's Conquer the Gauntlet?
Can we get snow cones?
And we can't get snow cones. We gotta get to a swim meet. So what was your favorite thing?
Pretty much the final.
The final? Yeah. Lots of like the rings or the wall?
The wall right over there.
We had a slight malfunction when we handed off the camera to Carrie. So she turned it off and then took a bunch of pictures. And so I don't know what we're gonna get until we get home. So hope you guys enjoyed our journey through the gauntlet. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye. They're mad. No snow cones. Time for a swim meet.